girls. Okay, so last week we were mixing our colors. Remember, we mixed those primary colors to create our backgrounds. Mrs. Walker's is actually drying right now, so I'm not going to use that to paint on. I'm going to just paint on white paper so you can see better too. But we're going to be painting lots of shapes to create our dinosaur, okay? We're going to start with the crown. That's number one, with zigzag lines, and then we'll just close it in at the bottom. And then we're going to move on to the head. We're going to make a circle, okay? And then the snout is kind of a curved line. And then we're going to make an oval for the body. Just going to start at the head and go up and around, make an oval. We're going to make a triangle for the tail, which is just diagonal, diagonal. And we don't really have to make this line because we're going to connect it to the body. And then we're going to move on to the arms, which is just a straight line, and then a little circle, straight line, little circle, legs, straight line, down, and straight line across. And then we're going to do this one with toes. So this is kind of a front view of the foot and a side view of the foot. Okay? All right, let's get started. So you will have your painted paper, whichever color you painted, right? Or whichever one you get is your painted paper. And you're going to be painting on this, okay? And these are the steps we're going to go through. So we're going to start at the top with a zigzag line. So up, down, up, down, up, down. And then cross it over. There's my crown. Now I'm not going to paint that in because I'm going to put yellow in there. I'm going to make mine a little bit darker. There we go. Okay. Now I'm going to make a circle for the head. So his crowns that he puts on his kind of signature, they're not usually attached to the dinosaur itself. So I'm going to move down a little bit and I'm going to make a circle for the head. And then I'm going to make an curved line starting right here for the snout. Okay. I'm going to do an oval, kind of a bigger oval, right? Because I want to have a big body. I want to leave room for the legs, but I'm going to start here and I'm going to do an oval. I'm running out of paint. If you run out of paint, just dip back in your paint, make an oval. And it's okay if you overlap because we're going to color this in. We're going to fill this in with paint here. So don't worry about that if that happens. All right, but you don't need to do that right now. Okay, now we're going to do the triangle, which is two diagonal lines going out to a point, right, like that. Then we're going to do our arms, which is a straight line and a little circle, and another straight line, little circle. Then I'm going to do my legs, which is down, and 3 little diagonals, down and over. So there's my legs. Now it's time for me to paint all this in. However, you do not want to paint in your crown because we're going to put yellow in there, okay? So just paint in, fill in the body with your black paint, and the tail, and his little hands, and there we go. I'm going to make my body just a little bit further down and a little bit longer tail. You can do yours however you want. I think that looks like a dinosaur more. There we go. Alright, I've got my dinosaur feeling. Alright. And then this goes on the drying rack. Hopefully before you start, you remember to put your name and class code on the back. Actually, you should have it on the back because we're doing our painted paper and your name should be on the back of this one, okay? Alright, have a great day.